Good morning. Today we're going to be looking at, read the red word at the top. What does it say? It says, be responsible while learning from home. And we're going to talk about what does that look like? How can we show responsibility in our schoolwork? How can we show responsibility with our devices? How can we show responsibility while watching videos from our teachers? How can we show responsibility? Take a moment to look at this slide. It shows us all about how we can be responsible with our schoolwork and how we can be responsible when using technology. Technology, remember, iPads, telephones, computers, laptops, all those things. Have you looked at the pictures? Okay, to be responsible. When you're doing your schoolwork, that means complete it, finish it, do it. Give it your best effort, try hard. Sometimes you're like, but really try your best. Use your time wisely. Sit down, concentrate, get it done. Then you can go and play. Then you can go outside, whatever your family allow. But while you're doing schoolwork, use your time wisely. Get it done. Be organized. Have your papers, your pencils, your laptop charged, whatever you need. All the things you're going to need to do the lesson. And normally we tell you that. We put that in our PowerPoints to you. We tell you what you need. Make sure you've got it. Put us on pause. Hit the pause button. Lots of people like to do that to us. And then if you're stuck, being responsible would mean ask for help if you need it. Ask your family, ask us, ask whoever is around. But if you need help and you want to be responsible, you can ask for it. When it comes to technology, we also have to be responsible. And one of those things is when we send you out our PowerPoints, all those presentations you watch every day, only click on the links that we give you. Don't share your username or password with anybody else. Those are for you and just for you. And please follow your teachers and family's directions. All of those things will show you're being responsible and will earn you Peebles points, and points make prizes.